let's get you breaking updates now coming in. The Mahayuti has announced that it is developing an app to track infiltrators. The Maharashtra Minister Uday Samant has said that the app will allow identification of Rohingyas and Bangladeshis in the country. So this is a claim that has been made. This is amid the politics that's taking place ahead of the BMC elections. And now in the latest, the Maharashtra Minister has said that there is an app that will be formed. And remember, this is the promise that is being made by the Mahayuti, going on to say that this app is going to identify Rohingyas and Bangladeshis in the country. So the politics speaking over the same amid the claims that are being made and Marathi pride being invoked as well. Here is a new claim that is being made. Rucha, what are the details of this alleged app that the minister is talking about? He claims that Bangladeshis and Rohingyas can be identified with this app.
Well, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has pointed out that in past 1 year, we have kicked maximum numbers of Bangladeshis, Rohingyas from Maharashtra, and currently a special tool is being tested. The AI tool is currently being developed, which will detect the Bangladeshis and Rohingyas, and it will track their exact location, and over that they will be found out and they will be later deported to Bangladesh. And talking about how there is breach of security at the borders from West Bengal, the Bangladeshis are entering the country and their documents are being made. They have access to fake Aadhaar cards and rest of the fake documents that they are making at the West Bengal, and later they are spreading across the nation, and highlighting how the Maharashtra government has strictly taken action against the Bangladeshis, against Rohingyas. Now, with the help of the artificial intelligence, the Maharashtra government is currently developing a special AI tool which will identify, detect the Bangladeshis, and Chief Minister has promised that for the Mumbai city it's important to have safety for the Mumbaikars, and considering the threats, the app is soon going to be developed, and it will definitely help to identify the Rohingyas and Bangladeshis, and he has promised that we will make Mumbai Rohingya and Bangladeshi free.
Okay.